Hello, in this lecture I paid the static file. Static file in Laravel, use it very simply in master page or other page. Okay, I use for example in public directory we can save Laravel static file. In public, right click and new file and write style dot css. For example, style dot css body and background color red. Okay, and if refresh the page, not change it. For add this style in Laravel, we can use this and other way. Okay, in all page we can use this link and href style style dot css. Okay, and use this and refresh and see change it style css and background color red, and about page, about name, about us. Okay, and about us, this is this color is red. For if I inspect and use source code and open head and link style css, and if about enter, open style body background color red, and if use other page background color, change it. For example, about page background color yellow, I use yield in main. I use yield css. Okay, yield css we can use about page and under title section css and end section and the link. We can use other css file, or we can use here a style background color body background color yellow, and refresh, background color change yellow, and we can see this style and background color yellow. And if open home page, see the background color is red, and remove a style in about page, and this style is worked in about page and not worked in main page, and we can use any style in about or in main, and use other style, new file style 2.css. okay, body, remove this, background color green, and use an about page and remove this, and about page link background style 2.css. okay, refresh, and in home about us. okay, it is work, and change background color to green. okay, and JavaScript simply work. For example, I use a new file JS or script dot JS. okay, script JS, I just log console dot log hello Udemy, and use in main page, and we can use yield, or we can use in here we can use a script and source, and source script .js. okay, I refresh this page and console log hello Udemy. okay, in homepage console log hello Udemy, and we can use other page, Ctrl X, Ctrl Z, Ctrl C, and about page. In main page define yield and header JS or JavaScript, and in about page and section JS, and end section for close section, and we can use a script or copy and paste script 2, and we can use and paste script 2 to change to hello student, and refresh in homepage hello Udemy, and in about us page hello Udemy and hello student. hello Udemy loaded out master page, and hello student loaded out in about page, and we can use a script in here, a script and console dot log my name is Tawhid. okay, refresh home about page, my name is Tawhid, and home page hello Udemy. It is work and finish.